Good morning, year one. Good morning, parents. I hope everyone is staying safe and healthy at home. It looks like we are now going to be doing our distant learning till the end of the year, but that's okay because we always love a challenge. We are in trying times and everything is new and strange to us. The barbershops are closed, so Mr. Rumble had to try and cut his own hair, and as you can see, it was a major fail. But we live and we learn. So, we have certificates to give out today. Could you say good morning to Mr. Kirkland, please?
Good morning, year one, and welcome to our virtual assembly. To keep things virtual, I've got everyone's certificates on my iPad this morning. Now, first up, from 1A, we have Yusuf for being a thinker, for trying super hard with his home learning. Very well done. Next, from 1E, we have Maxim for being knowledgeable, for consistently being engaged with his home learning. Very well done. From 1H, we have Haya for being a thinker, for using her creative thinking skills to write interesting stories with lots of characters. Very well done. From 1I, we have Saleh for being a balanced badger, for a fantastic effort to balance his home learning and completing extra challenge tasks. Very well done. From 1J, we've got Ez for being a balanced badger, for his determination to improve and to achieve in all learning areas. From 1M, we've got Faisal for being a principled peacock, for putting great efforts into his daily assigned activities. Very well done. From 1R, we've got Omar for being a reflective rabbit, for listening to feedback and completing all his online tasks. Very well done. From 1U, we've got Adam for being a reflective rabbit, for listening carefully to feedback and trying his best to move forward with his online learning. Really well done, year one. I'm proud of you all. Keep on learning.
Thank you, Mr. Kirkland. On to Student of the Week. We will start with 1J, and for 1J we have Safe for his improved focus to learning in all subjects and his great contributions. Excellent job, Safe. For 1U, we have Layla for successfully ordering containers from holding the most to holding the least. Layla sent a clear video explaining her decisions. Excellent job, Layla. 1M, we have Tala for being a fantastic student who strives to do her best at all times. Keep up the great work. 1E, we have Kareem. Kareem has Student of the Week for his consistent hard work and effort. This is going into his home learning and always trying his best. Well done, Kareem. 1I, we have Metha for putting effort into the tasks assigned and trying her best to finish all the challenges. Keep it going, Metha. For 1R, we have Kay. Kay is for her beautiful voice notes and wonderful video explanations about her online learning. Excellent job, Kay. And for 1A, we have Sanad. For trying so hard with his online learning, he has sent in some amazing videos of the experiments he has tried so hard with his writing. And last but not least, 1H, we have Ali, for his positive attitude and the consistent effort that he puts into all his learning activities. Great job, Ali. Now, a reminder that you can get all your certificates from Seesaw. They will be uploaded tomorrow morning. I want to make sure that everyone at home is keeping up their behavior in a positive manner, that you're getting along with your brothers and sisters, and you're getting along with your parents, and this time at home. Are you ready for my joke? Why should I not put a clock on my belt? Because it is a waste of time. Have a good day of online learning.